to President William Ruto today continued lobbying for the two-thirds gender rule. Ruto is asking members of parliament to pass the bill to enable the country reach its full development potential with the support of women. The bill, which is sponsored by the National Assembly Majority Leader Aden Duale, will be tabled in the National Assembly Tuesday. It seeks to ensure Parliament complies with the two-thirds gender principle stipulated in the Constitution. Ruto was speaking during the 30th anniversary of the Faith Evangelistic Ministries in Karen.
In Parliament this week, we will be making the historic decision to eliminate the discrimination against women. They are loyal, they are dependable, they are reliable, but they haven't had their fair share of leadership in our country. Our Parliament is being asked to return a hand to our daughters, to our wives, and to our mothers by giving them a chance